Unicorns, it's Ellie, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of these pajamas here. This is from a gift for a prince, and that's you can order at littleprince.com. My mom got these for Christmas.
I got these, and now I'm talking to her.
Yes. My mom got these for Christmas. We were supposed to all have matching pajamas for our Christmas trip, but they didn't come in time. They said there was an issue with delivery, but it's okay. They're still very, very comfortable, and I like them. This is one of the sets right here with these, this pajama set with these pants and this long sleeve shirt. This is also long sleeve and long panted. My mom made sure to get them for you know, colder seasons and whatnot. MJ, why you gotta chew in their face? Stop it. Get down. Get down. Okay, so I'm going to stop it. Get down. MJ.
Hey, maybe they did the one the pen and the for my it does it for Rippy right there. And it says for you.
That's awesome. I appreciate the enthusiasm. Alright.
No, not the baby.
My mom got me medium. I like how it fits. She got my son. My son is just, I don't know, his upper body is like bigger than his lower body. So the pants fit fine. He's in a size 5T. He's 3, but he's in a size 5T. The top was a little tight, but the pants, they fit fine. They fit really great on him, actually. But that has nothing to do with his company. His body is just, you know, stop it. His body's going through changes right now because, you know, baby growth. All of his clothes fit tight on the top, so that's not even their fault. So this is this gray outfit. This looks awesome. And another reason, and they're not the softest, but they're very, very comfortable, and that's surprising to me because I like pajamas that are really, really soft. Like this set here that I got for my birthday is so soft, it feels amazing. But I wear this set way more often. It's just really comfortable. Yes. And so this is what it looks like. Stop it, MJ. Stop it. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's not patterned, but this outside is a pattern. It's like little snowflakes and zigzags. And we got this top here. This is not patterned. It's a solid gray with white collar and white, I don't know what this is called, but around the wrist area. And one of the main reasons I really like this company is that they're awesome in what they do behind the scenes. So I like their little saying that they have on here. You make this look good. You're fabulous, smart, fun, and confident. Put it on, get out there, and show the world what you can do. And on the back it says, did you know? This is more than just a piece of fabric. This garment tells the story of a mom with a dream. It was created with love and intent just for you. From the custom produced fabric down to the tiniest detail in design. And above all else, every purchase helps an infant in need. Thanks for being part of our story. And also you can get a free tie for your little prince's birthday at littleprince.com/happybirthday. But I love that. I don't know exactly what they do. I gotta do some more research on it by, you know, helping infants in whatever foundation it is that they're working with or that they have. But this is their little logo tag. It's a crown. And I really like that. I don't know if that was the reason my mom went with them or not. But yeah. This is what the set look like. NJ, he just dropped all his cereal. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you check out a gift for a prince, littleprince.com. Alright, unicorns, I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, be blessed. We gotta pick up his cereal now. Are you okay?
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, you still... Oh, okay. Well, it's alright. Just go ahead and start putting it back in the bowl. Well, get your blue bowl. Hold on, get your blue bowl. Over there. Get your blue bowl over there. Bye, guys. Okay, so I ended the last video without showing you guys what the pajama set looks like, and so looks like on. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Get back, please, sir. Go pick up your cereal. Yeah. Very comfortable, super comfy. I wear my pajamas all the time, as y'all know. And I will probably be buying some more from this company in particular. So, yeah. Bye, rainicorns.